Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my Sephora Beauty Kit picks for November. If you have any thoughts about any of the products I talk about today, please remember to leave a comment in the comment section down below. I really do love to hear all your thoughts and opinions. And if you are new here, again, welcome, and I'd love it if you would consider subscribing before you leave today, because I do post videos like this quite regularly, along with empties videos, beauty purchases videos, the occasional get ready with me, and beauty box unboxing. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. So the Sephora Beauty Kit, Sephora have recently taken over Feel Unique, so this is what was the Feel Unique Beauty Kit. I haven't had one of these for a while in the Feel Unique form, never had the Sephora version, so this is new to me as well. But the principles are basically the same from what I can see, although there are a few new brands on there, which is exciting. The beauty kit costs £13.95 if it's just a one-off purchase, but you can make a longer term subscription and that will reduce the cost just a tiny little bit. I'll pop all the information and all the finer details in the description box down below for you to check out. So if you are interested in this subscription, you can feel free to have a look at that at your own leisure. So you do get to pick your own products within this subscription box. You get to pick 5 products in total for that £13.95, and quite a lot of the products that you can choose from are deluxe minis, sort of deluxe sample sizes. So it's not, from what I can tell, I personally don't think it's amazing value. I think there are beauty subscription boxes on the market that can give you better value, but occasionally you can find some gems in here. So I've tried to pick things this month that are going to give me good value for money, but that I also want to try. I don't foresee this being a subscription that I want to do every single month, so I have just done the one-off purchase this month. But let me show you what I got. So the first product that I've got here is from Mercier. And this is the Pure Canvas Primer. Apparently it's blurring, it's silicone free, and this is probably the smallest, possibly the smallest product I've got in here. So it is just a little tiny sample of that. I say tiny, I've seen smaller, but this is what I mean for the price. I think this could be a little bit larger, but this is 5 mils, and I decided to get this because I was interested in trying this. I've seen it around and thought, I'm kind of curious, so that's why I've picked that one. Hopefully it will work out for me, but that is the first product. Second product, also quite small, but I feel like it's just a little bit more substantial, but this is from Origins. And this is the Ginseng Ultra Hydrating Energy Boosting Cream. This is 15 ml, and I have probably got another sample of this knocking around somewhere in my stash, but I don't know where it is, and I've seen a few people talk about this and they've really loved it, so I really wanted to give it a try, so that's why I've picked this. So hopefully this will work out for me as well. And then next I've got a few products that seem to be new to the Beauty Kit subscription based on the fact that Sephora now own it. I haven't seen these brands on Feel Unique, so I think they're sort of brands that have come over with Sephora. One of them is actually a Sephora owned brand, which I'm really keen to try. But first of all, we've got this from Biossance. So this is the Squalane and Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. Nearly couldn't get my words out there. I am at the tail end of a dose of the flu, in case you were wondering what's up with my voice here. That's what's wrong with it, and if my voice does dip out every once in a while, I do apologise. But I was really keen to try this. It just sounded so interesting. Instant hydration with hyaluronic acid and paracress. No idea what that is, but I've seen a lot about squalane and copper peptides, and I was just really curious to try it because I haven't tried anything with that sort of combination yet, so I thought I'd give it a go, being as it was part of this subscription. So that is that. It's just in a little, I think it's just in a little bottle as well. So it is a tiny little product, but it's 12ml, and it's just in this little glass bottle, which I think looks really cute. So yeah, keen to give that a try. Next up, we've got something from Capre, and this is the California Glow Enzyme Scrub. Love face scrubs. I love scrubs in general, if I'm totally honest, but I was really keen to have a go at this because this is a brand that I've not been able to try before. It just looks like that in the tub. It looks like it's fairly sort of solid in the container here. Words are eluding me today, I do apologise. But yeah, I'm keen to try that because it is a new brand to me, so we'll see how that works out. And then we've also got this from Sephora, which is a Sephora own brand, and it is the Size Up Mini Mascara. So it's a volumizing mascara. I'm not going to open it up right now. I do have a couple of mascaras on the go at the moment, so I don't want to open it up and expose it to the air, because obviously then it will dry out a lot quicker. But I'm really keen to try this because, to be fair, I'm keen to try the Sephora brand in general. I've heard very mixed things about it, so I kind of want to get stuck in there and see what I think for myself. Price wise, it doesn't seem like it's too badly priced, but obviously if the quality's terrible, then that's a different story. But I thought we'd start with this, something nice and simple, and I'll let you know as and when I've tried it. So that was everything I picked for November's beauty kit. Remember to leave a comment if you've got anything that you want to let me know about any of the products that I've picked today. Maybe you've tried some of these products and you've enjoyed them. Maybe you've not enjoyed them so much and you want to warn me in advance, in which case, thank you in advance. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button for me. It really does help me out and lets me know that you're enjoying my content. And with all of that being said, I hope everyone's well and staying safe, and I will see you all again in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.